Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to star message in WhatsApp. Friends, if you want to star mark your important messages in WhatsApp so that you can easily find those messages, then you simply need to open the chat window and select the message which you want to star mark. Now after selecting the message, you need to press on the star icon on the above menu. Now after star marking the message, a small star will appear in the end of the message near time. And later if you want to see all your star marked messages, then you simply need to press on the three dots and here you need to press on start. Now here you will find all your star marked messages. So friends, like this you can very easily star mark your important messages in WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.